SaaS customers demand smarter, faster ways to understand their data. Now you can deliver. Meet Qrvey's ultra-fast, easy-to-use GenAI analytics solution. With just one click, transform dashboards into interactive conversations with our smart analyzer. Simplify the process and open up analysis to everyone with easy, user-friendly setup. No code needed. Need a visualization? Simply ask, and our AI chart builder recommends and creates the perfect chart instantly. Qrvey works with any LLM, even your own. Don't just optimize your analytics experience. Monetize it. Create premium GenAI features your customers will actually pay for. Qrvey's GenAI analytics solution is the tool your team needs to easily deliver insights fast. Book a demo to get on the fast track to supercharging your analytics today.